This is BT35L LPG gas leakage detector sensor with alarm. It is automatic gas leak detector. So friends, you must be having LPG cylinder at your home. You must be using it in your kitchen for cooking. If there is any leakage in LPG gas and if it meet with fire, then it can blast leak. So to prevent you from this, Blackt Electrotech brings LPG leak detection sensor with alarm. It will detect the LPG and alarm the bell to alert you. As you can see, this is made up of ABS plastic. This has 3 buttons. One to test it, like once a month you should test it. After test button, it will show LED light. Second button is for power, LED. And third button is for alarm. This can be used at places like home kitchen, school, factories, villa restaurants. So what are you waiting for? Never compromise with safety, friends, and get this Blackt Electrotech BT35L LPG leak detector.